Hi, my name is Caitlin Swan, and today I'm going to be doing a calculus problem. So this problem says, find the limit of each point on the graph and explain how to get them. It asks to find 8 different points, but some of them are different. For example, the first one asks for f of -1, which means that we're actually going to find the answer. So if we come over to -1, we're actually looking for where the dot actually is, and in this case it's at 0. So 0. The second one asks for the limit as x approaches -4. So we're gonna come over to -4, and we're gonna look at where the line is. From the right, it approaches -1. And from the left it approaches -1. So because they're the same, the limit does exist, and it is -1. The third one asks for the limit as x approaches -1. So we come up and we look at -1. We have the dot here, but 2 open dots, one up here and one down here. So if we look from the right, it approaches -1. But from the left, it approaches 1. So because they don't match up, this limit does not exist. The next one says the limit as x approaches 1 from the left. So they don't have to match up for this to exist. It's pretty much gonna exist as long as there's a line approaching -1 from the left. So we look at 1. And from the left, it's approaching -2. So we put -2. And the next one asks for the limit as x approaches 1 from the right. So we come up here and we look at 1. And if you're coming from the right, you're approaching 1. So that's 1. And the next one asks for the limit as x approaches 1. So we come up to 1 again, and from the right we said that the limit is 1, and from the left we said it's -2. So because they don't agree, this does not exist. The next one asks for the limit as x approaches -3. So we come up here, we find -3. That's here. From the right it approaches 0, from the left it approaches 0. They agree, so our answer is 0. And the last one asks for the limit as x approaches 2. Find -2. It's up here. Now the dot is open, but as you approach from the left and the right, you're still approaching the same number, which is 2. So the limit does exist, and it is 2.